Imagine waking up to a concrete jungle, yet feeling completely connected to nature. For years, urban high-rise living meant sacrificing green spaces and fresh air, but what if there was a way to bring the tranquility of the outdoors directly into your elevated apartment? This video reveals the revolutionary design secret transforming cramped city dwellings into vibrant, natural sanctuaries. As our cities continue to expand at an unprecedented pace, we are witnessing a powerful shift in how people live, work, and connect with their surroundings. Across the globe, growing urban populations are transforming skylines into dense forests of concrete and steel, while access to natural landscapes becomes increasingly limited. Parks grow smaller, green spaces are replaced by high-rise developments, and daily life often unfolds far from trees, rivers, and open skies. This imbalance between rapid urbanization and shrinking nature access is not just an environmental concern, it is a human one, affecting mental well-being, air quality, and overall quality of life. As home architecture evolves, it carries a profound responsibility to bridge this widening gap, integrating greenery, natural light, and biophilic design into compact city living. By reimagining homes as sanctuaries that reconnect us with nature, even in the heart of crowded cities, we can transform urban challenges into opportunities for healthier, more harmonious living. In today's fast-paced urban lifestyle, our homes must become more than shelters. They must serve as restorative environments that support both mental and physical well-being. Integrating natural elements into home architecture offers powerful psychological and physiological benefits, including reduced stress, improved focus, and better air quality. Exposure to greenery, natural light, and organic materials has been shown to lower cortisol levels, helping the body relax and recover from daily pressures. Thoughtfully designed spaces with indoor plants, cross-ventilation, and large windows not only refresh the air we breathe, but also enhance cognitive clarity and productivity. Even subtle design choices, like earthy textures or views of gardens, can calm the nervous system and promote emotional balance. By intentionally designing homes that reconnect us with nature, we create living spaces that nurture clarity, resilience, and overall health, proving that architecture has the power to transform how we feel every single day. In modern home architecture, innovation is redefining how we experience nature indoors, transforming ordinary houses into vibrant, breathing environments. Living walls bring vertical gardens to life, turning blank surfaces into lush focal points that purify the air and add dynamic texture. Integrated planters seamlessly built into staircases, balconies, and room dividers blur the boundary between structure and landscape, making greenery a natural extension of the design rather than an afterthought. At the same time, intelligent natural light optimization through skylights, clearstory windows, reflective surfaces, and strategic orientation ensures that sunlight flows efficiently throughout the home, reducing energy consumption while enhancing mood and visual comfort. These thoughtful architectural strategies work together to create spaces that feel open, healthy, and deeply connected to the outdoors. By embracing living walls, integrated planters, and smart daylight design, we move toward a future where homes are not just built structures, but living ecosystems that nurture both people and the planet. Around the world, visionary architects are redefining the future of urban living by transforming high-rise buildings into vertical forests that reconnect residents with nature. The Oxygen Towers envisions lush greenery integrated throughout soaring structures, blending dense urban development with ecological sensitivity. Meanwhile, Bosco Verticale stands as a groundbreaking example of biophilic architecture, with thousands of trees and shrubs planted across its balconies, dramatically improving air quality and biodiversity in the city's center. These iconic projects demonstrate how high-density living does not have to mean disconnection from nature. Instead, they prove that architecture can restore balance by embedding living systems into concrete skylines. As cities continue to grow vertically, these inspiring examples remind us that the future of home architecture lies not just in height, but in harmony between innovation and the natural world. As we reflect on the evolution of home architecture, it becomes clear that biophilic design is far more than a passing trend. It is a transformative approach that reshapes how we live within our built environments. By weaving natural elements into our homes and cities, biophilic design profoundly enhances well-being, reducing stress while promoting mental clarity and emotional balance. At the same time, it strengthens sustainability through improved energy efficiency, natural ventilation, and the integration of vegetation that supports biodiversity and air purification. Beyond its environmental and health benefits, biophilic architecture elevates urban aesthetics, softening rigid skylines with greenery and organic textures that create visually inspiring spaces. Ultimately, this design philosophy reconnects people with nature in meaningful ways, proving that when architecture embraces the rhythms of the natural world, it not only beautifies our cities, but also nurtures healthier, more resilient communities for generations to come. As our cities grow denser and access to nature becomes increasingly limited, the role of home architecture evolves into something far more meaningful than simply providing shelter. From addressing the psychological and physiological benefits of natural integration, to implementing living walls, integrated planters, and intelligent daylight strategies, and learning from global icons like Bosco Verticale and other biophilic high-rises, one message becomes clear. Nature is not a luxury in urban living, it is a necessity. Biophilic design offers a powerful solution that enhances well-being, strengthens sustainability, and transforms urban aesthetics into vibrant, life-filled environments. Ultimately, the future of architecture lies in harmonizing innovation with ecology, ensuring that even in the heart of concrete cities, humanity remains deeply connected to the natural world.